Alright, so here's the last one. This is median. Okay, median is the middle score of a set. Okay, middle score of a set. It's got to be the exact middle. In the case that you get two middles, if there's two to decide from, you'll need to add them and then divide by 2. Okay, so that's a straightforward formula. Now there are a few ways that you can calculate the median. Again, you could rearrange all your values in order. That has to be in order though to get it to work. Okay, must be in order for this to work. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, you're looking for the 5th. Or I can do this 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like we're stuck here. But that's fine. That's 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 divided by 2 can give me back 3. Okay, that's not a problem. So there's my median. Median is 3. Okay, that's straightforward. So what if the numbers were slightly different? Here's a nice way that you might be able to get this done. So we got 7 there, that's fine. And I'll make another one. Alright, so with the first set, what's the median here? Just cross off from each end. There's my median, it's just 4. Okay, but if I try a second set, I'm going to get stuck in between 4 and 5. So that means I can calculate it just like this. There's my median now. Guys, the microphone can hear you. Honestly, it can. Okay, now you guys are asking for attention, so please stop it. You're asking for attention. A nice way that you might be able to do this if you have a lot is by considering that this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 scores in total. So you're looking for halfway of the 8. Best way to do this is to start with the 8, add 1 on top, that gives you 9, and then divide it by 2. That means the median is going to be the 4.5 score. So you're actually going to be looking for something between the 4th and the 5th. But when you do this with an odd number amount of scores, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 plus 1 gives you 8. 8 divided by 2 can give you 4. So we're looking for the 4th score, which happens to be 4. If you decide to count up the number of scores and plus 1, then divided by 2, you will always find halfway. For odd numbers, you will find that it gives you a whole number. So that means you're looking for the 4th. For even numbers, you will get an odd number. And when you divide by 2, you'll get between the 4th and the 5th. Again, information may be sorted as difference. So here's a table now. Again, XF, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, and then here are some numbers. Best way to solve this is not by writing the numbers down or by counting it, it would be to solve for sigma f. So how many scores do I have in total? We've got 2, 5, 10, 15, 25, 28 in total. Now if I try this trick, 28 plus 1, that gives me 29. 29 divided by 2, that gives me 14 and a half. That means the score will be the 14th and the 15th score in the set. So we're looking for 14 in total. If you want to be tricky about this, you can use a cumulative frequency graph to keep track of how many scores you go through. 2, 5, 10, 15. I may finish it off. The 14th score would be right there. There's my 14th and 15th. The reason is because once I counted all of those guys, I went through 15 of them. So the 14th and 15th must be in there. So the median would be 5. Oh no, again, there we made a mistake. Here is the median. It's the 4. So the median is the 4. But there's 5 4s. That's right. So you're going to have to just make sure that you always look at the score, because that's the thing that we're after. Oops. Median score is 4. Okay, it is the 14th, 15th in the set. Alright? Okay, that's it.